Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can integrate different apps into money.com. So open your money.com and press this integrate button. Here you can integrate a lot of apps. As you can see, they currently offer 44 apps for integration. Just press integration button and here you can see all of the apps that they support. So they support Asana, Dropbox, they support Facebook ads, HubSpot, LinkedIn, MailChimp, Slack, and a lot of other apps. Alright. And what you can do is you can select any app that you want to integrate with money.com. Let's say I want to integrate Gmail. Okay, all I have to do is to press Gmail and now I get a lot of options, so I can perform these automations using Gmail and money.com. Let's say I want to perform this automation, so whenever there is a status, it sends an email. Okay, let's say I want to press this. It gives me the option to connect my Gmail account. Press connect, and this is the most important part where you will be asked to connect your Google account with money.com. Here, as you can see, you can add account or you can use your existing accounts. I'm selecting this existing account and I'm pressing continue to money.com, and it will integrate my Gmail with my money.com account. Press allow, and that's it. And guys, that's it. Now our Gmail has successfully been connected with our money.com accounts. So this is how you connect any app with your money.com account. You select that app, you select any automation you want, and then it will ask you to connect that account, and that's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.